Have you ever been in the situation where you have plenty of ink left in your printer but get this annoying message which says your ink level is low? If yes, here is what you need to do. Download the WIC Reset software and reset the ink levels. Welcome to Webby Tutorials. You know what this video is about, so let's dig into it. So first of all, why does this happen even when there is plenty of ink? The reason is those printers does not have a mechanical gauge to detect the ink level like this one in the ink cartridge from Brothers printer. So without further ado, let's download the software we will be using and fix the problem. Open your web browser and search for WIC Reset and go to resetkey.net/download. Then click any one of the download link. We are using Windows, so we have downloaded the software for Windows. If you are on Mac or Linux, please download from the respective download links. After the download completes, extract the downloaded file. Then run the application. Here select I accept the agreement and follow along the setup by clicking next. Then click on install. Click on finish. When you get to this screen, you can see your printer listed. We are using Epson L800 printer, so let's click on select Epson L800. Here we are given some instructions, so let's follow along. First of all, let's disable our printer status monitor. Second, let's power off the printer. Then again power on the printer. Then wait for the printer to finish its normal startup process. We are ready, so let's click on continue. Here let's click on the second option, I want to reset ink levels. It is done. It just took 1 or 2 seconds. You can see here all 6 inks has been reset. Now let's minimize these windows and check the printer properties. It has not shown the reset value, so let's close the file and open again. Now let's check the printer properties again. Here we can see all the ink levels has been reset. Now we can print without the annoying message which says your ink level is low. We hope this video helped you. If it did, please like and share the video and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, comments or suggestions, please let us know in the comment section. Have a nice time.